This, my friends, is a desert spiny lizard, Mesa, Arizona, and this is a Mark Storto nature clip. Yes, it really is me. Looks like this guy's tail was bitten off or removed, somehow lost, and over time they grow them back. Otherwise you'd have about another 4 or 5 inches on that tail. He's decent size. I would guess at 5 inches from nose to tail right now because of the cut tail. They're really beautiful animals. Their underside can be blue. And this guy's talking to us too, isn't he? Yeah. He is. Alright, Mr. Lizard. Good luck growing the rest of that tail back.